Hi, this is Brother Sean with eLearning Brothers. In this screencast, I'd like to give you a quick overview of the Pyramid Flash game template and show you some of the basic settings for it. To begin with, let's go ahead and preview the game to see how it works. Alright, this is the instruction or the introduction screen. You can edit your the text here, copy and paste your own in, add images, and if you like to, you can also add your own narration audio file. Let's go ahead and click Start. This game has a pyramid of buttons here and a question that displays over on the left. You can insert your own question over here and then put in each of your answer options. There is one answer to every question. So this particular quiz has 10 questions and you have 10 possible answers. It's really like a kind of like a definition and answer type of game. So the question is asked over here on the left and we have to find which would be the best answer for that question. If you get it right, you get correct remediation and some points are awarded to you. Click Continue. Question number 2 displays. If you get answers incorrect, a red X is displayed and you lose points. For each answer, or each question, there's a box up in the top left that's your progress indicator to indicate to the learner how many questions you have and how many questions you've completed. Alright, so that's basically how the game works. Let's dive into some of the settings to see what we can change. I've got the game opened up in Adobe Flash CS5 and I've got my timeline up here on the top, and if you go up to your actions layer and click on the action keyframe there and open up your actions panel, this is where all the game settings are. If it's not open, click Window, Actions. Alright, the overall game options. Your first option is to randomize the questions. If you like to randomize them, go ahead and just change the false to true. Next option is the number of questions. This particular one lets you change it to be anywhere from 4 to 20 questions. So let's change that to 15. Point value is your next option. This is where you can indicate how many points are awarded for correctly answering a question. The next line down is the penalty points. How many points do you want to take away when they answer incorrect? And the next option is, do you want to allow the points to go below 0, a negative number? And right now it's set to false, and I'm just going to leave it at false for now. Alright, the next setting is the game sound options. These are the overall game sounds that include the intro music that plays, the clicked and overstates of the buttons, and the correct and incorrect sounds that play on the questions. If you like to change any of these or upload your own, there's another tutorial that shows you how to do so. If you like to turn all the game sounds off, you can just change this true to false. All of the options and the instructions are written just to the side of each of these lines, explaining what they are and how to change them. The next section down is the narration sound. This is for the instructions and the conclusion, if you'd like to upload your own narration audio for that. And then below that is the individual question options. Here's question number 1. You'll notice that you can upload your own narration sound for question 1 and your own narration sound for the correct remediation text. And those same options are available for all of your questions. That's just a quick overview of the Pyramid Flash game template and some of the basic settings for it.